Hello children. Children, in the previous video, we have read the sentences of lesson number 12, the preposition, which is given on page number 26. We were reading the sentences and we have read up till here. Now we are going to start reading these sentences. Number 1 is, he lives near us. Now in this sentence, children, us is a pronoun. As I have told you, that a preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun. In the above sentences, these words desk. In all the sentences, the word desk is a noun. And before desk, some words are used like on, under, near, in, beside, above, below. All these are prepositions because they are showing the location of the book. And moreover, they are showing the relation of the book and the desk. They are showing the relation between the book and the desk. Now, in this sentence, he lives near us. The relationship between he and us is being shown in this sentence, and near is a preposition which is showing the position or location of he. Where is he living? So, near us. Near is the preposition here, and us is the pronoun. Second is, he came with me. Here again, with me is a pronoun and with is the preposition. And the link between he and me is being established in this sentence. And with whom did he go? With me. With. So here with is the preposition. Next is number 3. The letter is from him. Him is again a pronoun here. Before this pronoun, which word is being used? From. So, from is a preposition here. Number 4 is, I do not believe in them. Them is again a pronoun here. And here in is a preposition. Then last one is, there is a wall round it. It is a pronoun here. And round is the preposition. So, I hope children you all have understood what is a preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun. This is what I told you in the beginning when I started explaining this preposition, that it is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun, and it also shows the relationship between other words in a sentence. Now, let's start doing with the exercises of this lesson. Exercise 1 is, pick out the prepositions in the following sentences. Now, first one is, father is not at home. Home is a noun here. So, before home, at is being used. At is a preposition. So, underline at. Second one is, let us go for a walk. So, which is a preposition here? For. Underline for. Now, let's move on to page number 27. Number 3 is, he has eaten nothing since yesterday. So, here the time is being shown. So, underline since. Next one is, the boy fell off his pony. Which is a preposition here? Off. Pony is a noun here. So, off is a preposition. Number 5 is, what is that in your hand? The preposition is in. Underline in. Next is, he was among the crowd. So, preposition is among. Underline among. Number 7 is, I gave 10 rupees for it. The preposition is for. Underline for. Number 8 is, let us walk along the shore. Here again, shore is the name of a place. So, along is a preposition. Underline along. Then number 9 is, I don't know anything about it. It is a pronoun here. So, underline about. It is a preposition. Number 10 is the policeman is on duty. Underline on. The word on is establishing the relationship between the policeman and duty. So on is a preposition. Underline on. Number 11 is there is a bridge over the river. Underline over. River is a common noun here. So underline over is a preposition. Number 12 is the carriage is at the door. The door is a noun here. So underline at. At is a preposition. Number 13 is the moon goes round the sun. The sun is a noun here. And preposition, as I told you, it is used before a noun or a pronoun. So here round is the preposition. Underline round. Then number 14 is he laughed on my face. Preposition is on. Then number 15 is the moon shines by night. At what time does the moon shine? Here the time is being shown. So the preposition is by. So underline by. Number 16 is they live across the river. Again here river is a noun, common noun. So across is a preposition. Underline across. Then number 17, the boy fell off the bicycle. Here bicycle is a noun. Before bicycle the word off is being used. This is again a preposition. So underline OFF off. Next number 18 is the room is 20 feet by 16. 20 feet by 16. Here the preposition is by. Next number 19 is he sat beside me at dinner. Me is a pronoun here. Before a pronoun the word is beside is being used. So beside is a preposition. And before dinner the word at is being used. Here at is telling us the time. So at is also a preposition. Here in this sentence two prepositions are there. Beside and at. Next number 20 is I am afraid of your dog. Which is the preposition here? Of. Underline of. Then number 21, the house is on fire. The preposition is on. Then number 22, he is tall for his age. Here the preposition is for. F-O-R for, underline. Then number 23 is I met him by chance. Here the preposition is by. Underline by. Number 24, I met him on the way. Here the preposition is on. Then number 25 is I have got through my work. Here the preposition is through. Underline through. Then number 26 is I have been here since 10 o'clock. Here it is showing the time. So here since is the preposition. Number 27 is he is hard of hearing. Preposition is of. Then number 28 is can you direct me to the post office? Here the preposition is to because it is showing the direction here. So the preposition is to. Next is the train will start at 3 p.m. It is showing the time. Here at is the preposition. And the last one is little Jack Horner sat in a corner. The preposition here is in. So underline in. So children, in this video we will do up till here. In the next video we will do the rest of the exercises of this lesson. Thank you.